Hello and welcome to the channel. My name is Peter, and behind me there is one car that I need your help with. So let's take a look at it and let's see what we can do. So I bought this 2008 Renault Clio. It is a 1.2 liter 4-cylinder petrol engine, and it does run on liquid propane. As you can see, LPG, liquid propane gas. So I bought it for 750 bucks, and I need your help with it. On the outside, from far, it looks good, but it has the whole car was wrapped, and it has some minor issues in the wrap. As you can see, mainly on the rear bumper here. It was a company car at one point, so I stripped all the company logos. So it needs a lot of things. So let's take it up front and let's see what we can do with it, because I need your help, because some of the stuff I don't know how to fix. I mean, I know how to fix, but it's not feasible to do, let's say, tires. But we'll talk about that up front. So let's unlock it and let's take it up front there. So it is a pretty basic car. As you can see, it was this baby blue or originally. So it is pretty basic. It's a manual transmission, of course. The aftermarket cheapo stereo, no AC, manual windows, floppy, and obligatory black ice, and that's it. No mirrors, no nothing. So let's see if she will start. I need to scooch over a little bit. Okay, we have 181,000 kilometers, which is like I think 110 or 120,000 miles. It does start. From what I know, it should need brakes, tie rods, and front right strut. But we have a brake pedal. Let's see about the clutch. And we're moving forward. That's not the reverse. This is the reverse. Okay. We have clutch. Feels pretty normal. Yeah, that strut. It's definitely broken spring on there. Yeah, a lot of play in the steering. Yeah, you can hear that. Struts clanging and banging. Okay, but it has no check engine light. We have 2 bars of gas, and this is your broken switch for the LP. We have this broken, and this is broken also, and it's a little bit dirty. But it was a girl car, so it smells nice in here. So let's take a look under the hood. There we have the almighty 1.2 liter, and this is where you add your valve lube, valve saver fluid. So this is when you run LP, the LP does not have any lubrication to it, and some engines they tend not to like the the LP, so you have to lube them up a little bit. So that's there. The oil is good for another 30,000 kilometers, but what's not that good is the timing belt. The timing belt should be changed around this time, and that's one thing I have to I have your help with it, because if we do tires inspection, timing belt, what else, strut and stuff like that, yeah, I don't think we will come on the top. So what would you do? Because of course we will do the strut, we will do the tie rod, and but the tires, they are getting on the legal limit. They are still legal, but they are getting on the legal limit. The rear ones, those are nice. Those have like twice the legal limit, so we will swap the rear ones to the front, and that's what we will probably do. Clean up the headlights, wash the car, and just fix the drivability stuff and send it down the road. That's what I think, because I think nobody will pay for the fixed up car when they can buy this car, the exhaust car, for the same money, that it's a little bit newer or have better equipment inside. So let me know what you think down in the comments, please. But let's start fixing some of the stuff that we know needs to be fixed, and we will of course do. And it is the stuff that's needed for safe driving, and it's the strut and the tie rods. And this might be too low to get the jack under it, so let me get the jack from the back. I hate these OEM jacks, but we might get it up enough to get our jack underneath the car. So I don't know where is the checkpoint on it. It shows right here, so it's probably this here, but we need just a little clearance for our jack. Okay, the car is on jack stands, and we can take a look underneath here, and we have some scaliness on the oil pan, but I don't see anything leaking significantly, so I think we are good on that front. This is your rag here. Okay, I don't see anything major or wrong here, so that's good. That's definitely a good sign. But Now we need to take a look at these problems that we have. Okay, so let's see what's hiding behind wheel number 1. Alright, so here you can see the thread is getting down to the minimum level. Right. So we need pads. Yeah, this rotor is pretty good. So we need pads. There is your broken spring. So we need spring. We will probably need the sway bar and links, because they tend to not give when you try to unbolt them. So we need pads. We need what do we need? We need probably the inner and outer tie rods, I would guess, but we'll see. Alright, so let's start cleaning everything up and soaking it with the penetrant. So while the VWD-40 is setting up down there and penetrating the rust, we can set up for the strut removal, which is this gasket, and then this panel. We might need to pull the windshield wipers. Yeah, we need definitely. I had that here already. God damn it. And now this should just lift off, I think. But maybe I'm wrong. Alright, and the cowl is off. These little covers, and they are held on by an 8mm down in the front. Ta-da! And we have very damp and very rusty nut down there. Hopefully it's not the whole rack, and maybe it is the whole rack. That would suck badly. Well guys, everything went to shite now, because this play, it's not in the tie rods. As you can see, those are not good but not bad. It's all the steering rack, and I don't know if I can change the rack in our homemade conditions here. I look into it, but I think it's the end of the car. We will clean it up and send it for auction, I think. So this is the end of this video. Let me know, what would you do? Throw huge curveball in the rebuild. So yeah, well, subscribe if you want to cheer me up, and let me know down in the comments what would you do, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.